Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Dr. K's Academy. My name is Engineer Rahman Ali Khan. Let's start the part B of lecture number 13. So, in part A, we covered the joinery opening, and joinery opening we covers only doors. So, in part B of this lecture, we will discuss window and ventilators. So, in this, we will discuss what is the best location for window and fixing up window and types of window, and last we will discuss which material used for a joinery. So now we'll discuss and define a window. So the arrangement made for natural ventilation and entrance of sunlight inside the roof of a building are called window. So now let's discuss why we provided a window. So a window is a vented barrier provided in a wall opening to admit light. Window allow natural sunlight to enter the interior spaces, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day, admit air into the structure. So they help in cross ventilation by allowing fresh air to enter and circulate within the building, which improve door air quality, indoor air quality, and give outside view. So windows are providing which offer visual access to the outside environment, which can improve the comfort and well-being of occupant, and it increases the beauty appearance of building. So well-designed window contribute to the beauty and architectural appeal of a building. How to select a suitable window? So there are different types of window, and the selection of suitable window depend upon the following factor: location of room. So room on different sides of a building may receive a varying amount of sunlight and wind. So for example, room facing the south in Pakistan usually get more sunlight. So windows should be designed to control heat and light. Size of room. So larger rooms may require bigger or more window to ensure adequate lighting and ventilation. So in small room, smaller windows are sufficient and help maintain uh, proportion. Direction of wind. So window should be placed in the direction from which the wind usually blow to allow natural ventilation. Cross ventilation is ideal in hot and humid climate condition. So in hot climate, a window should minimize heat entry and cool area. Larger window on the sunny side help warm the interior with sunlight. Utility of room. So kitchens and bathroom need small windows for ventilation and privacy. A living room and bedrooms may need larger window for light, air, and outdoor view. Architecture point of view. So windows should match the design and style of the building. The shape, material, and position should enhance the building's appearance. Location of window. So the location of window in a building is a crucial aspect of design, as it directly affects ventilation, lighting, and privacy. So following factors should be considered while deciding the location of a window. Cross ventilation. So window should be located in such a way that air can flow through the room. This is best achieved by placing window opposite each other, or at least opposite to a door. Cross ventilation helps maintain a fresh and cool indoor environment, especially in hot climate. Position of position between sill and lintel levels. So window can typically located between the sill level and lintel level. The sill level is the bottom edge of the window and is usually kept 2 feet to 2.5 feet above floor level. So this heights allow furniture placement and provide a comfortable window height for natural lighting and outside view. Adjusting sill level for privacy. So on the ground floor, if a window opens directly towards a street, the sill level may be raised up to 6 feet to ensure privacy. On the first floor, if the window overlook a neighbor's house, raising the sill level can help avoid direct sight line. Lower sill level in special cases. So sometimes the sill level of window is reduced to as low as 6 inches above the floor level. So such window may serve as an emergency exit, acting like a small door in case of fire or other emergencies. So for light, ventilation and privacy, so the window location should be ensure sufficient natural light and fresh air while also maintaining privacy for the occupants. Use of a ventilator. So in addition to window, ventilators are installed just below the roof level to allow hot air to escape, further improving air circulation. Size of window. So the size of a window play an important role in providing sufficient natural light, air ventilation, and maintaining architect- architectural balance of the building. So the following factors are considered when deciding the size of a window: light and ventilation requirement. So the window should be large enough to allow adequate sunlight and fresh air into the room. According to building standards, at least 10% to 20% of the floor area of a room should be the total window area to ensure proper lighting and ventilation. Architectural requirement. So the size should be proportional to the size of wall and room. So windows should match the building's architectural styles for aesthetics appearance. In modern buildings, large glass windows are often used to give a more open and elegant look. And common size is the common height of window is about 6 feet from sill to lintel, and the width usually ranges from 4 feet to 8 feet depending on the wall size and room dimension. So larger rooms or a living area may require wider window while smaller rooms like bathrooms or stores use narrow ones. Types of windows. So like doors, windows are classified into different types of on the basis of material, positions, operational movement. So on the basis of material, window are classified into timber window, glass window, metal window. So timber window are made from natural wood like teak, deodar, or saltwood. They are traditional and commonly used in residential building. Glass window. So glass windows are usually made using glass panel fixed in metal or wooden frames. They can be fully glass or partly glass. And metal window, you can see in the figure. So metal window are made from steels, aluminum, or other alloy. They are strong and commonly used in modern construction. So classification on the basis of position. So on the basis of position, windows are classified into bay window, dormer window, skylight window. First one is bay window. So the window which project outside the room of a building is called a bay window. You can see in the figure this is a bay window. So we provide a bay window into the building to allow more natural light to enter from multiple directions and provide better outside view, and it enhance the aesthetics and give a cozy sitting space. Dormer window. So the vertical window provided in the slope roof is called a dormer window. You can see here in the figure, this is a dormer window, and we provide this window to provide natural light and ventilation to room under slope roofs, and it adds headroom and usable space in attics and it enhances exterior appearance of the building. Skylight window. So the window provided in the slope roof with its top parallel to the roof surface is called a skylight. You can see here in the figure this is the sky light window which is parallel to the surface of roof. So we provide this window uh, to give natural light to interior space where regular wall window are not possible, and it enhance energy efficiency by reducing the need for artificial lighting, and some skylights can also be open for ventilation. Classification on the basis of operational movement of window. So based on this classification of windows are folding window. So folding window, you can see here, this is a folding window, uh, consists of multiple panels that are joined with hinges and can be folded to one or both sides like an accordion. So it is ideal for opening or spaces needed full ventilation, and it is common in balconies or modern living area. And it offers a wide, unobstructed view when fully open. Pivoted window. So you can see this is the pivoted window. Pivoted window are a window that rotate on a central pivot either horizontally or vertically. You can see this vertically pivoted and this horizontally. So the shutter rotate on pivot fixed at the center of the frame, and it is easy to operate and clean. And it is common in industrial buildings and modern architecture. The third one is fixed window. You can see here this is a fixed window, and fixed windows are non-operable window that do not open. They are made only to allow light and outside view. The last one is sliding window. You can see here in the figure, and sliding windows have one or more panel that move horizontally uh, or on track. So it is easy to operate and space efficient, and it is common in modern homes, offices, and balconies. So now let's discuss the last topic of our lecture, which is joinery material. So joinery material are used in the construction of doors, windows, cabinet, and furniture part. So the choices depend on strength, durability, appearance, and cost. So the different joinery material are the first one is wood. So natural material widely used in traditional and modern joinery. Uh, so wood are strong and it is durable, and it is easy to work with, and it gives aesthetics appearance, and it have good thermal and sound insulation. The second one is steel. So strong metals used for modern joinery, especially in commercial or industrial building. So it have high strength and security, and it have the ability of fire resistance and termite proof. The third one is aluminum. So lightweight, rust-proof metal used in sleek and modern design. So it is corrosion resistant and it require low maintenance. The fourth one is ultra polyvinyl chloride UPVC. So a plastic material used is an alternative to wood and metal and joinery. So it is waterproof and termite proof, and it have maintenance free, and it is sound and heat insulating. The fifth one is the fiberglass. So it is a composite material made from glass fiber and resin. It is very strong yet lightweight, and it weather and corrosion resistance. So it can be molded into any shape, and it is energy efficient. So the sixth one is glass, which is a transparent material often used in combination with the other frame material. So it allow sun natural light, and it gives aesthetics and decorative appearance, and it can be tempered or laminated for safety. The last one is mirror. So a type of a polished glass with a reflective coating. So it enhances visual space. It is decorative and used in interior design. So thank you for hearing me.